What's going on YouTube? Welcome to the channel. It's Mitchy boy here, and just thought I'd do a video about this. It's kind of like a screen printing press, like just a board, really, like a piece of wood, with hinge clamps, 2 hinge clamps here, that are screwed in. I just put a line across here to line them up. Just right across, and then measured the distance between these screwed holes, and then screwed the screws in. And so you just put the just put the camera down for a second. Get the shirt. So I guess you just lay the shirt down. It's kind of how I've been using it. Or you can put the shirt kind of over top of the board, like slip it on. What I've noticed with other ones, like actual machines and stuff, well, not machines, but is they have like this part here kind of cut on an angle or just around, so you can slip it on and like put it right up to the neck piece part, like there. So I might start doing that, but for now I've just got it like this, what else was I going to say? Or either that, or you could put you could put these on a separate piece of wood, like have a piece of wood across there, and then have the board separately, and then yeah, I don't know. But for now, I just got that. I'll probably improve it in the future. It's just what I'm using for now. I did have the press, but I don't really like that, using it like that. I don't know why, but I think this is going to be better. It's just for like one colour anyway, so but yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll leave a link to these on Amazon, these hinge clamps, and yeah, cheers for watching.